When we look at a bunch of delicious bananas, our eyes only see the fruit. But what happens to the massive banana stems left behind after the harvest? Every year, millions of tons of banana trunks are discarded globally as mere agricultural waste. But what if this neglected byproduct of nature, through the touch of modern science and technology, could become one of the greatest innovations for human protection and sustainability? Welcome inside an advanced, highly automated green manufacturing plant. The moment these discarded stems enter, an incredible transformation begins. In the first phase, massive washing systems use high pressure. Water jets to thoroughly clean and remove years of dirt and sticky sap from the plant surface. The clean stems are then fed into high-precision decortication machines. Under immense pressure, this machinery extracts nature's hidden marvel, extremely strong, flexible, and natural fibers. Advanced purification systems then refine and shuck this raw material, converting it into a soft, uniform, and silky base. In a medical-grade process, this soft fiber replaces traditional latex to create ultra-thin, durable, and completely eco-friendly men's condoms. But the most beautiful part of this story doesn't end here. After the premium fibers are separated, not a single drop of the remaining pulp, moisture, and nutrient-rich sap is wasted. In another automated sector of the factory, this residual organic waste undergoes a specialized fermentation and processing cycle. Scientists discovered that this banana stem waste is immensely rich in nitrogen and essential minerals. Instead of polluting the earth, it is transformed into premium bio-fertilizer, serving as a flawless, chemical-free alternative to synthetic urea. The very soil that nourished the tree receives its nutrients back through factory byproducts, human health protection on one hand, and soil enrichment on the other, with zero waste and zero pollution. This is the true definition of a zero-waste circular economy. A simple, discarded banana stem is showing us today how smart engineering can pave the way for a greener, safer, and more sustainable tomorrow.
Electronic pinhole test start. Units align beneath detection probes. Electrical integrity scan. Micro defects detected instantly.
Small non-organic particles detected. Action: extracting. Magnetic separator removes metallic debris. Purity before compost blending.
Bag weight verified.